This is the Neoteck Digital Angle Finder. And yes, that picture is crooked, but this can help you correct that crooked picture. It can also assist you in other products you may be working on. But first, I want to show you what you get with this angle finder. You get the angle finder, you get a manual which tell you all the details and everything you need to know about this. You also get the USB-C charging cord. You also get the little pouch to carry it in. So now, just like that, it has a little strap on the back so you can put it on your belt. Now, before we fix that crooked picture with this angle finder, I'm going to go over a few of the settings so you have a little bit of an idea of how this thing works. So the very first button on there is your orange button. If you tap it, it turns the device on. If you hold it down, it turns the device off. So we're going to tap it, turn it back on. All right, the center button right here, that right there, say you get your data on the screen, you press that button and it'll hold that data in place for you so you don't lose that information. You need to write it down or remember it for whatever it is you're working on, right? Okay, you tap it again, it releases that. So now it's back moving again, you can use it. Now, if you hold that middle button down, it's gonna change the settings right here. So you got your units, they'll change. So right here, it goes to millimeters and meters. If you hold it down again, it goes to, let's see here, it goes to inches and feet. If you hold it down again, it's going to go to degrees. If you hold it down again, you got percentage. Right now, we're going to leave it on percentage because we're going to use that to fix this picture. We could use degrees also, but right now, we just want to get that picture straight, right? We want to get right to it. Are you ready? Let's get to it. Let's fix this picture. All right, let's get it as close to centered as possible. Let's see what we got. All right, so you're hanging your picture. You got it right there. That's got to be crooked, right? So you take your angle finder, you set it on top. I say it's hanging somewhere in the middle. All right, now you just adjust your picture till you get that all zeros up there to get that precise perfection, right? It can take you a little bit. All right, I got it at 0, right? So there's a little indicator on it that shows a flat line that shows that that's actually flat and it's at 0. So you got the indicator too. So that right there is your Neoteck Digital Angle Finder.